Dr. Mike Stanley, and today we're going to be going over the thoracic assessment and the adjustment. We've got our assistant Alma with us again today. So what we are looking for in the mid-back, a lot of times what people are having trouble with is extension and also rotation. We find when they're having pain that those are the motions that they seem to be locked up in the most. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to show how we assess mid-back function, and then I'm going to demonstrate an adjustment here on Alma. So Alma, let's have you put your hands behind your head and bring your elbows forward. Bring them forward just like that, okay? So what I'm going to have her do is just kind of fall forward into my hand here. And so I'm going to check these joints through the mid-back and just relax and kind of let me move you here. So we're checking to see if she's got good rotation through here, or extension, sorry. Is that a little sore right there? Mm-hmm. So she's a little locked up right here. She just doesn't quite glide. So I'm going to check and kind of rotate her. Does that hurt more when you come this way?
Yeah.
Okay. So she's a little locked up right in here. So she's got a little bit of an issue rotating to that left side and also extending through here. So this is that area that we need to adjust. So let's have you go ahead and lay on your back here. I'm going to have you put this here. Okay. So what we're going to do, we've got her on her back here. We're going to have her give herself a hug. We'll actually have you just go like that. Good. And now we're going to have her tuck her chin. Tuck your chin to your chest. So I'm going to roll her towards me, and I'm going to find that area that was locked up, which is about right in here. And I'm just going to put my hand over that area, and then I'm going to kind of roll her back. Take a deep breath in for me. Tuck your chin to your chest. Let that all the way out. I'm just going to roll her over. Good. You okay with that?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's have you sit up here. Okay. Let's have you come on over here.
I needed that.
So we just adjusted Alma. Now we're going to recheck that segment to make sure that it's moving better. So let's have you bring your hands up, bring your elbows forward again. Okay, and then just fall forward. So now we're going to do it again. Much better movement through there. She's extending much better. She's also rotating much better in there. Is that a sore for you?
No, nothing.
Okay. So that is how we adjust the mid-back to get those joints loosened up in there. Thank you, Alma, for that. And so that's how a lot of our patients that we do that adjustment on notice a big drop in their pain afterwards. They also notice that their range of motion, they just feel everything's moving a little more freely and a lot more loosened up. So that's a thoracic adjustment to get rid of mid-back pain. I'm Dr. Mike Stanley with Stanley Chiropractic, and thank you for watching.